Money laundering is the process of making illegally obtained funds appear legitimate. It is a critical concept in global finance and law enforcement. The term comes from the idea of washing dirty money to make it clean, effectively hiding its criminal origin. The scale is massive. Experts estimate that trillions of dollars flow through these illicit channels every single year. Laundering typically follows 3 phases: placement, layering, and integration. Each step makes the money harder to trace back to its original source. People often confuse laundering with tax evasion. While both are illegal, laundering focuses on the source of the money, while evasion focuses on taxes. Criminals use various sectors to hide their tracks. Banks, real estate, and shell companies are frequently targeted because of their high transaction volumes. This classic saying remains the foundation for modern financial investigations, which is why transparency laws are so strict today. Understanding these systems helps highlight why financial regulations exist. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more money basics.